Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Lissencephaly and the holoprosencephaly. So these are the two things we are going to look at. So under the lissencephaly and the holoprosencephaly. So lissencephaly, this is this was nothing but a smooth surface with no gyri or sulci. So smooth surface, that is, there is no gyri, there is no presence of the sulci. It is nothing but a figure of 8 appearance is what is same, and there is a small sylvian fissure which is present. Small sylvian fissure which is present. Next we move on to the holoprosencephaly. So holoprosencephaly, it is nothing but the HPE. HPE stands for the holoprosencephaly. It is nothing but a rare congenital brain malformation. It results from incomplete separation of the two hemispheres. So incomplete separations, and this is of the two hemispheres. Next is the fox. The fox, if you see, it is going to be completely absent, and there is also a horseshoe shaped monoventricle. There is a horseshoe shaped with a monoventricle. Next is there is a presence of the pancake brain which is also present. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.